Yes, walking away, giving up on people na nag-give up sa atin at sinasaktan lang tayo is normal. You need to be strong, to be consistent. That self-respect should always be present. Dapat rin irespeto ka. Pangalawa, kahit ganong kagwapo o ganda pa yan, if they are always available to everyone, the value will always go down. Babagsak to 0/10. Hindi valuable ang isang taong na-access na lahat. Pamigay kung tawagin. Always remember that. And number 3, you continue on improving yourself. Bumalik man yung ex mo, good. At kung hindi man siya bumalik at hindi niya na-appreciate yung value mo, okay lang yun. Alam mo kung bakit? You will always be better for the right person na darating pa. Everything happens for a reason. You move on, be consistent, and carry on.